Hi everybody, I'm Naveen Lama from Bithi Farms. Yeah, today we're going to start Vermi Compost. And we have here, we have made a Vermi pit that is like 12 feet by 3 feet into 3 feet. That is the measurement of the pit. And if you look really inside the pit, what we have done is we have put some pebbles, then followed by the sand, then the mud. And we have kept a small tiny hole there so that we can collect vermi wash, which can be used in spray. Now I'm going to tell you today regarding the materials that you need to make a good vermi, a beautiful vermi compost. The first thing is the dry matter. As a dry matter, we are using the straw. This is a carbonaceous thing that will help the worms. And apart from that, we have some cow dung slurry. Then for this is of course the nitrogen is there. For phosphorus, we are using wood ash. Okay. Then we are using our old biofertilizer, which has a lot of microbes, so that they can feed on this green matter like banana, chopped bananas. It has plenty of potassium, and of course we have green matter here also, green matters. This will also feed the worms. And now I'm going to show you the exact process of how a vermi layer is made. When we eat food, there has to be some vitamins, some minerals, some proteins, and some carbohydrates, right? So in the same way, the microbes also want everything. For example, let's start with carbonaceous like dry matter. They're getting some food from there also. So first layer would be around 2 to 3 inches of dry matter, right? And after that, we are giving some cow dung slurry. That is the nitrogen that will help. This will help in decomposition as well as provide nitrogen. Once we have given this cow dung slurry till the end, spread it everywhere, then we will bring that green matter that would help us to give potassium. It's very important for the worms, you know. Then we will at least for 3 inch we'll put this green matter. Pura level karo. It has to be leveled. After this, we will be spreading lime, which is a very good form of calcium, and it helps to decompose. It helps to decompose faster. So we give some lime, sprinkles of lime all over. Then after the lime, we will go for the wood ash. This is our old biofertilizer that it's made from our own garden, which has the ingredients of fruit culture, jaggery culture, cow dung, cow urine. We are applying this because it's got a lot of good microbes in it. So we will apply this, sprinkle this thoroughly in the vermi so that we can input the microbes, you know. This so that the microbes can feed into whatever we have put in. Now we are putting some vegetable waste, all the vegetable waste, so that the microbes can feed. You can make this in the home also. Actually, you don't need this big space, you know. You can make at home, and it's very easy also. And again, after this, we have to again, another layer would be the same thing repeating itself. The dry matter will come. So we are just infilling the dry matter actually. This is called leveling actually. This is also called dancing in the compost, you know, so that it's compressed, so that the decomposition takes faster in this method. After this, we'll be putting some water. It provides moisture. It helps to decompose faster. It generates heat also actually. So in the dry grass, we are putting some water thoroughly. So after watering, we'll be going for some cow dung. We'll be putting some around 1 to 2 inches of cow dung, which provides nitrogen as well as protein to the microbes. So we'll be putting some layer of cow dung, thin layer of cow dung. We'll be spreading this cow dung for around 1 inch of cow dung. Then we will be adding the green matter. It's very soft also. It's very good for the worms. They love it. They enjoy too, and it remains, I mean, like moist. It gives that coolness effect, you know. So I can see a lot of microbial count, you know, a lot of insects. You see a lot of insects are there. That means it's very nice, you know. There's a lot of diversity, biodiversity. After this, we will be giving some lime. We will be sprinkling some lime. Standard is like 2 kgs, so that it helps in decomposition and it generates heat. Now we'll be going for wood ash. We'll be putting wood ash, which will help in phosphorus and increases the pH level. Now we'll be putting some dry grass. It's a beautiful dry grass. You can see, if you smell it, it's very nice. It smells very good. After the dry grass, I'll be adding some water so that it generates heat and helps in maintaining the moisture, you know. Now it started to look very nice. We will go forward with our cow dung slurry everywhere. So this will help as a nitrogen and provide good protein to the microbes, and it will help you to decompose faster. We have done the green matter, then we have put some lime, sprinkled some lime, and we have put some wood ash. Then now this is our final layer. We are doing dry matter. Above this we'll be putting some slurry and our old biofertilizer. So that will be our last layer. We have this kind of worms which is called Acinophyta. These are red wigglers. Okay, this variety eats very fast. So you can get a very good vermicast out of it. You cannot put the worms directly when the temperature is high. So you have to wait at least for the temperature to come down. You know, maybe after 10 days, we have a temperature meter. After 10 days and check the temperature will rise. But you cannot put the worms at that time because the microbes are very active and usually it's very hot. So what we need to do is, we need to put the worms, infill the worms when the temperature is around 26 to 27 degrees centigrade. And you have to cover this with plastic because the worms like to be cool and to be in a darker place. Apart from this, what you can do is, you can make a compost, decompose it. When the temperature goes down, you can fill it along with the worms. That is also another practice, what we can do at home.
Hello everybody. So 60 days ago we started our vermicompost and now it's ready. Vermicompost, when it's ready, it looks like tea leaves that we use in our day-to-day life. The black color of the vermicompost is because the humus content that is very high in this vermicompost, and the moisture holding capacity of this So this compost has increased, due to which it is holding its size. Now our vermicompost is completely ready, full of moisture and vermi.